Hello everyone, you're watching the Trident and today we are taking a look at the new OPPO Reno 10 Pro Plus which was recently announced in China. This mid-range phone from OPPO is sure to impress with its top-notch specs, trendy features and excellent cameras. So let's take a closer look. The Reno 10 Pro Plus comes with an elegant design featuring a narrow metal frame chassis and a textured glass back. Additionally, it weighs just 194 grams, providing a very lightweight feel. The design of the Reno 10 Pro Plus is very impressive. It has a premium feel and looks like a flagship phone, even though it is priced in the mid-range. I am sure you will not be at least disappointed with the way it looks. It comes with 6.74-inch 1.5K curved AMOLED display exhibiting a high 120Hz refresh rate. The screen is capable of reaching a peak brightness of 1400 nits and offers a touch sampling rate of 240 Hz, ultimately ensuring a smooth and responsive user experience. The screen has a wide spectrum of 1.07 billion colors and the display truly comes to life. Under the hood, the Reno 10 Pro Plus is powered by the powerful Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. It comes with an impressive 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, delivering exceptional multitasking capabilities and offers storage options of up to 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Now let's jump right on the camera. The phone have a triple camera system on the back that includes an 8-megapixel Sony IMX355 ultra-wide lens and a 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 camera with optic image stabilization. Specifically, it is also equipped with an OIS-enabled 64-megapixel OmniVision OV64B periscope zoom camera, which offers 3x optical zoom and up to 120x digital zoom. The company has also included a dedicated Mari Silicon X NPU for better image processing, which enhances the photography experience even more. I am very impressed with the shots taken from this device as they look really good and vibrant. Here are some camera samples. Now regarding the battery life, the Reno 10 Pro Plus is equipped with 4700 mAh battery that supports 100 watt SuperVOOC fast charging, ensuring minimal downtime. The device runs on ColorOS 13.1 based on Android 13 and the device offers an array of software features. It also comes with an in-display fingerprint reader and supports face unlock for enhanced security. I recommend you to check the description for the color variants and pricing details. This is all we have for you today about the new Reno 10 Pro Plus. We will be diving deeper into this phone in future videos. In the meantime, stay tuned for more videos like this one. Be sure to subscribe our channel and enable notifications so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching and as always keep watching and keep smiling.